of Daga in village Kuruwa under Chief Nemangwe in eGokwe South. The arrest happened on 3 July 2024 at about 2200 hours. And in the process, a contraband of 6,500 plants and 170 kgs of dry packed Daga was recovered, as you can see behind me in the lorry. The lorry is laden with the Daga which was uprooted, and also in front of me and all these police officers who were involved, you can see the 170 kgs of prepared Daga. The accused persons were number 1, Brian Kuruwa, a male adult aged 36 years, uTalkmore Muzondiwa, accused number 2, who is female for that matter, aged 30 years, and another female, loShylet Magigani, aged 32 years. They are all from village Kuruwa, staying near Shishi Perennial River. You may want to know that on 3 July 2024, information was received by the detectives whom you see here, who are not in uniform, to the effect that some residents from village Kuruwa, as I have mentioned, were dealing in dangerous drugs and cultivating Daga in the places along Shishi River banks, which are not easily accessible since it is mountainous. At about 2200 hours, police officers comprising these astute detectives, support unit members, as you can see, one of them is here and the other one is there, and also police intelligence personnel reacted immediately to this information. They allegedly found accused number 1, who have stated Brian Kuruwa, actually watering a plantation of Daga. He was immediately arrested and 67 plants of Daga were uprooted from his garden. Subsequent investigations led to police to proceed to accuse number 2 residents, uTalkmore Muzondiwa, where a recovery of a full 50 kg sack of loose Daga was made. The accused was also arrested in her bedroom. Accused number 3, who is loShylet Magigani, as I have mentioned earlier on, was found at their place of residence, and a further recovery of 3 by 40 kg of Daga placed in her bedroom hut was made, leading to her immediate arrest. It is also alleged that during the police raids, accused number 2's husband, who is the village head for that matter, Kuruwa is his name, aged 43 years, escaped from home and mobilized other residents to wake up in numbers to fight back the police. However, their effort was overcome by the police, who had to fire warning shots using firearms. The accused persons were further taken to court after their arrest for continuation of their investigations, and on 4 July 2024, they all appeared at eGokwe Magistrate Court, where they were convicted and sentenced as follows. Accused number 1 was given 4 years imprisonment with labor, and 1 year was suspended on stated conditions. The accused number 2 was given 24 months imprisonment, 8 months were suspended on usual conditions, and accused number 3 was given 3 years effective jail term. You may want to know drug interdiction efforts that are being done in the country and also by Zimbabwe Republic Police. As the public may be aware that in a bid to curb drug and substance abuse scourge in the country, the government established a National Elimination Committee on Drug and Substance Abuse, which is spearheading in sustainable responses that will assist in ensuring that society is free of drug and substance abuse. The committee is replicated at provincial, district, and community levels